Hello, my name is Kyle Jackson, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to get started with Classcraft. So here is Classcraft's website, and to get started we're just going to log right in. And so for this I'm just going to use my Google account. Let's do the www one. And perfect. And it shows that I've already made a class for this, but I'm going to do a new class to walk it through with all of you. So now you would choose whatever class name you'd want. You can go with your name or whatever you're thinking. And you can choose how long you want your game to last. So this can be up to a month, a year, and how many hours a week you would want to do it. So now this is where you would enter all of your students' names. So let's just put some people in. Sure, that's our class. And you can also import from databases that have your class in it as well. So now that we have some students, we can have them added to a team in Classcraft. And you can simply drag them into here. And you can add multiple teams. You can also right here pick the crest for the team and the backgrounds that they would go with. So this whole Classcraft idea is kind of creating a RPG element type game for your classroom. This base version, which is free, does not have an actual board you see on your computer screen that allows you to play, but you can still have random events and stuff that can impact how the students receive points through this program. There are paid versions where you can have quests for the students to accomplish, and I feel like that would be the most successful for a classroom. So now you would be able to distribute these codes to your students so they can log in to their specific accounts. So now we are here. So we can now either, they would be changing how their student or how their profile looks, or you can set up a character yourself. So let's just go here, boom. And there are 3 classes. There's a warrior, a healer, and a mage. And all of these will do different things while in your quests during your lessons. I think this is a very unique way to get students involved because it is a team-based adventure. So if someone does something successfully, the whole team does something successful, but it also works the other way where someone's kind of lagging behind. You kind of have to support your other teammates as you go through the activities. So let's go with a mage, and here are some of the skills of the mage that happen during the games. And as you can see, some of these will lead to all the team members getting a hint on an exam question, 8 extra minutes to beat an exam, and some other ones. So I'd say this would be most successful for older grades because you can really cater exams to the older grades, but it could be fun to implement for more skill-based learning in younger grades as well, depending on what level they're at. Okay, so I have a mage set up now, and here you can see where you start your premium trial and everything else. Here's your class tools. So here's what you can do without premium. So the Wheel of Destiny, where let's check it out. Let's just pick a player and let's have it be Tim Burton. And they can have different ways of adding experience to their character. So this would be either by correctly answering a question in class, helping another student with their work, or being positive and hardworking in class. So this can also translate to outside actions from inside your classroom as well, which I really enjoy, because if it was all in the game, then kids would only pay attention to what's in the game. But if they can earn points for themselves while in the classroom, it'll incentivize them in playing this game. So now this is where the free trial kind of ends, where you can't really do quests, but it would be super fun to learn about quests and to utilize that in the classroom. And you can also do class announcements. You can see like where students are at with experience, and experience probably works a lot like how many questions they're getting right and on certain exams, or as a group they're like trends. So it's another way of data collection, which is super important. And this is the general basics of Classcraft. So I hope you enjoyed and think about using it in your classroom. Thank you.